Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. And if you've been following along in the previous tutorials, you noticed this nice rubber joint thing. And and this is cool flexible thing that I've made. And I'm going to show you how I made these textures. And it's really good to have especially this rubber texture in the middle. And just because of the reason when it bends, with these lines, you can get good feedback that it's actually do a really nice rotation. Let's say if we had another color, let's see if I can find, if I do this vertex color here. You don't know, you can't see the rotation. It looks a little bit more not organic, but if you have these nice stripes, it gets much more interesting. So yeah, and if you want to follow along, you can download this this asset in the description. But you will only have this. I'm going to show you. We're going to work with the same thing. So you can have this one, and this is what we're going to start working from. So let's get started. And we're going to start from a empty scene. I tend to have it like that. So we have this one here, we don't need these ones. So let's check what we have here. The only thing we need to bother about is the mesh. So if we open it up, we have bones. We're not going to bother with those. And we have the arm. And the arm has two materials. So it has the rubber and the metal. And when I model this one in Houdini, I also have this tutorial how you model it in Houdini. Then I made vertex color on it because we're going to use it. So good to know there is vertex color here in the caveats. I think you say caveats, or in the corners here, it's more dark. So we can kind of make more interesting material from it. So first off, we're going to do the steel, and we are here. So create shader graph, URP, lit shader graph. So this is going to be steel. And now I'm going to name it to 130, steel 130. And make a material. And this is the one we're going to have here. So if we open up this one, this is what we have. Nothing. And first I'm just going to do vertex color, and I'm going to do a swizzle and just extract the X color to this one. So if we do base color and save. Yeah, actually we don't need the vertex color because we are working on the spheres and they don't have any vertex color. So we don't need to do that. We can remove that one. So, but what we want to do, let's see, we can have this one here. We can work on this one. So we're going to use a simple noise. Simple noise, and we're going to use simple noise to break up the smoothness. So here we can have a float, and we're going to have noise size, and we're going to have the noise size in here, and we can make this one in mode. We do a slider, and we do from minimum 1 to maximum 500. So that's good. We can have the default value to 50. And so this could be like 0 or all, like it won't be 0, but almost 0 and almost 1 here. And we want to remap that because, yeah, we want to have the control of this in the inspector. So we want to range this value. So it's going to be between 0 and 1. So we do 0 in and 1 here. Now it's out 0, 1. So this one doesn't do any effect at all. And then we do vector 2, and this is going to control the out. So now it doesn't do anything different yet. And here we're going to have floats. So we're going to have smoothness min. And this one going to be a range between a slider between 0 and 1. And I'm going to do the default value to 0.1. And I'm going to copy paste this. So here we have smoothness max, and we're going to have metallic min. We're going to have metallic max. And the reason I copy paste them instead of creating new ones, because now this one is also a slider with the default values. So here we have the smoothness min and max in here. And if we just change the max to maybe 0.5, and if we save this one, and if we look in the scene here, so here we have the steel, and we have the noise size, and we have the min and max about the smoothness. This is perfect. So we are getting there. And yeah, I didn't use this one actually. Let's just remove it. So we can have more space. That's nice. So yeah, this is nice. Now we're only going to do it a remap for metallic 2. And we're going to use the same noise. It's fine. So I'm going to make this is going to be a remap here too. And I'm going to have this one into the metallic. And we're going to have the metallic min and max also into a vector 2. So we do this out here, and the in should be 0 to 1. So here you have it. Let's see, how do you do that? Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. So, yeah, I'm trying to figure out. You can do this add directional. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Super nice. So this is the steel material, almost. We're also going to do this color. Color, bam, down here. So now we have the color. And if we save this and go back. And here we have it. So now we're just going to fix a little bit with the colors, and I tend to feel like metal is a little bit bluish sometimes. If you really look into colors, this could be very interesting. And then we can change the noise here to have different sizes. So maybe noise more. Yeah, it depends on what kind of effect you want. I'm going to do it all maxed out, and smoothness, something like this. Metallic, it's going to be metal. It's going to be metallic. Maybe a little bit less. So yeah, this is how you do the metal. This is pretty simple, right? So yeah, in the next tutorial, I'm going to do the rubber material. And thank you so much for watching. And please like my video or give me a thumbs up if you like it.